All right, what you got there, boy?
An egg.
Oh, it is a free-range brown, unboiled, no-frills egg. Let's stick it in the microwave and see what happens. Looks like you're still eating some of our M&M science experiment. All right, Mike, egg. There you go. Again, this is right out of the fridge. Let's stick it in for 1 minute and 11 seconds. See what goes on with this egg. It's either going to cook and we're going to have a nice egg for lunch,
Yeah.
or something this is interesting is going to happen.
Yeah, like it's gonna explode in the microwave.
Let's hope it explodes.
Yeah.
This is the purpose of these videos. We want some explosions.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, it just popped and goosed. We're not having hard-boiled egg for lunch.
Yeah.
I think it's growing another bubble. Oh, it's popping again. And it's oozing some more.
Nope.
So if you nuke an egg, the results are it's going to... Oh! Now it just exploded everywhere. Now the microwave is an absolute mess. We have an exploding egg. An exploding egg. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at this mess.
Yeah, looks like it cooked a little.
It cooked the egg and it cracked the shell, oozed, and then it just boom, exploded. Luckily, most of the mess is on the bottom and on the door.
Yeah.
All right, let's clean up this mess, and then we'll be back for another.